Emails and attachments in Gmail can be archived. To make this content available, configure an email archiving job. In order to search archived Gmail content, configure and run an email indexing job first. Note that an index job is not needed if you only want to archive data and do not intend to search it later on. A policy is not necessary in order to guide this job. Creating and configuring a Gmail archiving job is done in Admin under Email Archiving. Once you're there, simply click Create in the bottom left corner of the screen. A dialog box will open up with a source type under which you should see Gmail in the drop-down. Thereafter, give your archiving job a name and then click Create. Now, select your newly created job from the panel on the left under Email Archiving. When several different tabs open up in the top middle portion of your screen, select the Criteria tab. In the Source section, you will see the crawler field. Click Change. Select the Gmail crawler previously configured. Then click OK. Under Destination, click Change. Here, select Gmail Archives, which we also configured before as well. Then click OK. The next item is Incremental Archiving. Selecting this option will make sure that data is archived based on the account checkpoint stored on the mailbox. Under Policy, you can filter by query. Checking this box will then allow you to enter a policy query. Once you're all set making selections on the Criteria tab, click Save in the bottom left corner. Next, click Job Settings in the upper left. Now, feel free to give the job a description if desired. Under Job Priority, choose from low to high, with normal being the default. If jobs are running concurrently and you want to control which job takes priority, you can do so by making this selection, as the job priority determines which job in the queue is selected by the job manager next. Under Mode, the choices are Continuous, Pause, or Pause and Delete indexes. Continuous indexes continually without interruption. Pause stops indexing, and Pause and Delete will stop and then delete the existing index. In the User section, you will see that the box for all users from location is checked, which automatically archives all user accounts. Click Save in the bottom left to save items configured on the Job Settings tab. Next, click the Summary tab. Here, you can see a summary of the items configured. Now, select Log Settings. On this tab, you can enable logging for troubleshooting purposes later on and can also enable notifications. Leave log settings disabled and click Save. This concludes the video on how to create and configure a Gmail archiving job.